Good morning. Happy Saturday. We had a lazy lie-in, and then I just had a giant bowl of oatmeal and hurried up and got ready because we are on our way to visit one of my best friends who just had a baby boy, and we're really excited to meet him. So we're gonna go with some other friends to go see him. He was born like a week ago, so it's gonna be so nice. And then this evening we have my other friend's 30th birthday party, which is the theme 1986. So all in all, gonna have a nice happy friends social weekend. And somewhere in between I need to fix my bike, so I think I'm gonna have Thom show me how to do that, and then I'm also gonna record it because that way I remember how to do it, but also maybe someone else can learn who wasn't raised Dutch and doesn't know how to fix a flat tire on a bike just like that. So maybe you will teach me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we go. I'm making a video. Okay, so we just got back from seeing the baby. Was really nice and was just so cool to see our first friend who has my first friend who has a kid, and like it's just so cool. And now I am putting together Vale's gift for tonight. I got her the light box, so it comes with like a whole pack of letters, which is super nice. So you can put all kinds of letters in it. And right now I'm just, I opened it because I want to fill it with the batteries. And I'm also gonna write, oh no, all the batteries came out. I'm gonna write happy birthday Vale, or happy 30th birthday, or something like that on there. So I thought that'd be funny if she already opens it, and then it already works, which is nice. And it has a nice little message there. Okay, this could ruin our marriage. Just kidding. We're gonna try this. Thom's got the trusty repair box for a normal bike. Here we go. Let's do it. The first step is fixing the lock, which is basically a hell of a lot of WD-40, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, it smells great. Tastes great. It got rusted close. Ew. And the worst is the first few times when you have this all over your hands and your hands smell of WD-40. It's really rusted. Okay, so that's a simple step. So, what is the first thing I have to do?
The first step is turning your bike upside down.
Okay.
Then there's the vent. So you
Take it off?
Screw that up. Up through the black and the
Yeah.
above it.
But that, like this thing whole stays in.
Yeah.
Just this.
Just that.
Okay, so this has to come off.
While I look for it, you can pick the tire up.
Yeah.
So you stick
This one?
yeah, then turn it around.
This one?
Yeah.
With the bendy thing, yeah.
Yeah.
And I just get it off with the...
Yeah, but do it all the way and hook it around your book.
Huh?
See this thing?
Yeah.
Hooks around your book. Like that.
Oh, okay, so you
And then do another one until the tire really comes
Okay, I want to show that. So like, you have this thing and it goes in here and it hooks around the spoke. So so that you can actually just kind of keep it around the edge, the rim of the bike. And I have to do it on the other side as well.
No, just on one side.
Just one side, okay. It's already going bad. Oh, wait. Oh, there's... Okay, I got it. We're good. We're good. We're back. Feels terrible. Okay.
All right. Now you can
Take off my wedding ring.
now you feel inside of it, and you feel that pinnacle,
Yeah.
and you take it out.
There he is. The culprit. The asshole. Right? Just like this?
Yeah. Feel the vent, and then do the other side as well.
Is this okay like this? Or is it hurting now?
No.
Ooh, it smells. Okay. And
And then we're gonna pump it up a bit so we can see where it's leaking anywhere.
okay.
So then we need to put on this guy again.
So putting back on the vent. But then why did you take it off in the first place? Just to release all the air?
To release all the air.
But there was none.
Yeah, I guess not. Sometimes there is still some air in it.
Okay. And then we're gonna pump it up.
Yeah.
Pump, pump, pump it up. I have a question that has plagued me for years since I've lived here. What if you don't have this black thing? Is that bad?
No, it doesn't matter.
Then why do you have it?
It's just a protection.
Just so it doesn't break.
Yeah, I guess so.
Now you know.
But it doesn't keep any air in.
Yeah, that's annoying. Because then I'm always like, oh no. Oh, you can do it. This I know how to do. I'm quite good at pumping.
Now this is the lazy way.
Well, maybe the lazy way's okay.
So if we can already find where it's leaking right now.
Yeah, but you kind of have to like
easier.
move this because we can't even check this section. Because it could be holding it the air in. Am I doing a good job? Yes.
Okay. And now we have to put the outside tire back in.
Yeah, but I know how to do that, I think. Because I think you do this.
No.
Oh, okay.
The trick is to try to do it without those things, because otherwise you might screw up the tire itself.
I can do it. You just kind of squeeze it back in there.
Yeah, and you want to release all the air, because that's going to make it really difficult. Now that the inside tire is in there, you don't need to have it pumped up anymore.
Okay,
Yeah.
but it's on there.
Especially-
So
especially
basically
if
there's
it's
no
in-
like glue involved. You just blow up the tire and it holds that on.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably why it keeps breaking.
Say so.
Yeah, but we have to put that back on.
That's good.
And then you sit down. Like whisper.
Alright, well let's just keep it like this for a half hour.
Okay. So now we are gonna wait 30 minutes to see what happens to the bike. And I have the lovely pleasure of finally removing our Sinterklaas stickers, which were on the window, because it's weeks past 5 December. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna check on the bike again. And I have a question. How soon is too soon to put up Easter decorations? Thom says it's never too soon. I'm not sure. What do you think, Thom?
It's never too soon.
Oh, also, I still have a Christmas tree up. I decided to start cleaning up all my Christmas decorations. I love them, but they have to go back in the box, back in the closet. These are so cute. It's like fall little hangers. They're really nice. And my favorite decoration that we have for Christmas is, well, a tree, but this I got at Target in the US, and you can write, you know, 24 days of Christmas up to Christmas, and then you can put your own things in the Advent. So we put like little celebrations candies, and now they're all gone. I love this thing. Thom got this for me for Christmas, actually. Look at the light in this bathroom. Wonder why it does that. Also, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about the light. In the bathroom, I have all of our, like all the greeting cards we get throughout the year I have hanging here. This is my favorite one. She stays here. It's actually like hair under the arm. One of my friends got me that. They know me so well. Some of these are from when we moved in. This is from Max and May. So these are all cards we got. This I keep also because it's a reminder that I actually need to get my driver's license, because that's a present that I got, is some help with my driver's license. This is a drawing of Thom from his 30th birthday. His uncle is a illustrator, so that's his uncle right there, Dave. And he, a cartoonist, illustrator. So this is Thom with his head in the clouds, because he's so tall. It's great. So I'm just taking down some really old ones and putting up some ones that we got from the New Year and from Christmas, and switching those out as well. This is nice to do. Just a little house cleanup on Saturday in between. And we just ordered pizza. So we're gonna be having some pizza because we saved all our cookie points from the whole week. Right?
Yeah.
And we deserve it.